Welcome to Elephant and Castle, one of London's most historic, dynamic and ever-changing neighbourhoods. The name Elephant and Castle likely comes from a coaching inn established in the 18th century, and itself possibly inspired by the crest of the worshipful company of cutlers, featuring an elephant bearing a castle. This area traces its roots back to Roman times, where ancient roads intersected on the route to Londinium, making it an important meeting point even 2,000 years ago. Rising boldly from the heart of Elephant and Castle is Strata SE1, a striking 43-storey residential skyscraper completed in 2010. Known locally by nicknames like the Electric Razor, was once the tallest residential building in London and one of the first in the world to incorporate 3 integrated wind turbines within its structure. In reality, the turbines rarely spun. When they did, residents living near the top began reporting low-frequency noise and subtle vibrations, sounds that travelled through the structure itself. Engineers attempted multiple fixes, investing significant sums to install vibration dampers and isolation systems. Eventually, resident comfort took priority. The turbines were switched off, producing no energy. And today they remain still, a striking reminder that bold ideas don't always survive real-world conditions. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more of my content.